Hello guys, welcome back to English Literature Classes BA Part 2. Today our topic is The Way of the Word, Comedy of Manners. Okay, so without wasting much time, we should start this video on this topic. Okay, William Congreve was one of the most popular dramatists. Of the Restoration period. Congreve, The Way of the Word, is a successful comedy of manners. In it, the plot is very complex and so many things are not clear even at the end of the play. In a comedy of manners, characters have such typical names that suggest their character also. It is a story of loose morals. Mirabel gets his former beloved married to his friend Fennel, and he himself marries her cousin Melamine. The play passes satire on hypocrisy and excessive use of cosmetics even in old age. Certainly, the way of the word exposes ugly reality of contemporary London. There are some points in the way of the word comedy of manners. Number one, a complex plot. Second point, a typical name of characters. Third point है importance of manners and which and intellect and themes of loose morals. Okay, and the next point is mockery of the institution of marriage. The one point is a complex plot. Okay, complex plot is the quality of a comedy of manner. In the way of the word, Mirabel gets his former beloved married to his friend Fennel, and he himself marries her cousin Melamine. Mrs. Fennel remains faithful to Mirabel after marriage also. If their love was true, why Mirabel did not marry her and left her to be tormented by wicked Fennel? It is also not clear if Mrs. Marble loved Fennel, why she did not marry him when he was unmarried, that now she is living as a mistress to Fennel. The play ends without telling about Mrs. Fennel's future. And the second point is typical names of characters. Comedy of manners amused the audience with typical names of characters. In cognitive plays, we find characters like Hartwell, Verloc, Maxwell, and Valentine. The names expose the quality of the character also in the way of the word Millamant sound like excellent. Lady Whitford is a lady of strange wish who is eager to marry in old age. By using cosmetics, she tried to hide the wrinkles of her aged face. And the next point is themes of loose morals. Okay? Themes of loose morals. A comedy of manners exposes ugly reality of contemporary London. The society was cursed with loose morals. The practice of exchange of lovers was quite common. In the way of the word, Mirabell gets his former beloved married to his friend Fennel, and he himself marries her cousin Millamant. Mrs. Fennel remains faithful to Mirabell after marriage also. Mrs. Marble loved Mirabell, but she failed in getting his favor and became a mistress to Fennel. And the next point is satire. Satire on hypocrisy and use of cosmetics. A comedy of manners ought to be satire by nature. For example, the way of the world passes sharp satire on hypocrisy and cosmetics. Lady Westward is its best example, for she claims to be man's hater. But at heart, she wishes to marry even at the old age of 55. Mirabelle's remark is a sharp satire on her imperfection. Mirabelle remarks that Lady Whitford is so aged and she should not be so much eager to get a husband. It is highly surprising that she seems acting blindly in this manner. She is as eager to have a husband as a child demands a toy. It seems she may expect anything for her husband if it looks like a man. Mirabelle passes satire on Lady Whitford and imagines that she would marry even a napkin if it were molded in the shape of man's white waiter. Okay? And the next point is importance of manners. Importance of manners. In the artificial society, people give importance to decent manner. In a comedy of manners, characters give great importance to pleasing manners. Their conversation display sharp intellect, sometimes so much care taken for pleasing manners. And the next point is wit and intellect. In place of emotions, a comedy of manners gives importance to wit and intellect. In the way of the word, a witty and intellectual conversation appears when Mrs. Fennel and Mrs. Marwood express views on the means of happiness. According to Mrs. Fennel, the sense of satisfaction is hidden in mind if we adopt a positive attitude towards life. To be happy, no outer achievement is required, for the means of happiness are hidden in us. Strong liking and disliking may lead to disappointment, resulting in loss of happiness. And the next point is ugly reality of contemporary society. A comedy of manners has its action in London. The dramatists expose the ugly reality of contemporary society and the life of high class people. And last, the conclusion. Thus, Congress, the Way of the World, is a perfect comedy of manners. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.